Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a walk through Park MGM Casino and we'll have a little chat and talk about this place and its history as we go through. So the entrance here, we go through into Italy, which obviously is a play on words. Sounds like Italy, you know. You could think of it as a food court basically. There's different places you can get something to eat. It is rare for a casino property to be like this, where the entrance from the strip isn't straight into the casino. It's kind of refreshing in some ways. But as we come through here, you can see big sign says Park MGM Casino right there. And as we go through, you can see it splits into two different ways. We can go that way around, or we can go that way around. We'll go this way, and as you can see, there is plenty of slot variations. So this place, when it first opened, was known as the Monte Carlo, and I quite liked it when it was the Monte Carlo. Down there is the exit you can get to New York, New York. Here we have the House of Gaga, which is something to do with Lady Gaga. We have theatre here on the left, and if we look to the right we can see a pathway. I've said it before, I do like these casinos where they have separate sections. I mean, there's nothing special about that section, there's nothing special about that section. I just like the idea of carpeted walkways through a casino. Now, Park isn't the biggest casino on the strip. I don't think it's the smallest either, but I would say it is on the small side of casinos in terms of what you see in Vegas. It's definitely a lot smaller than MGM Grand, but it's obviously a lot bigger than somewhere like Cromwell or Casino Royale. Again, split there, and we have a bar here, Juniper Cocktail Lounge, as you can see. But yeah, the split again for this casino is coming up just on the left. They don't really have too many table games in this casino. You can see them just over there. Steakhouse just here on the right. So as we come around here to the left, following that past carpet round there, that will take you back to where we came, past the cashier and down towards the House of Gaga. And coming this way up, we have the Central Bar. Park MGM, I'd say, probably is one of my favorite casinos here in Vegas. I couldn't for the life of you tell you why. I have no idea why I like it. I just like it in here. It feels nice. It feels like casino. There is a lot of people who smoke these days. You know, it's just normal in society. But this is a smoke-free casino, and it is one which I would prefer to gamble in because I'm not a smoker. So it's nice to be in here and not have to breathe in smoke. So that is the other side of the Central Bar. And as we pan around here, we have the High Limit Lounge just there. A couple more table games here. High Limit slots over there if you're into High Limit. And as we come a little further down this way, it is somewhat similar to Circus Circus. If you know, Circus Circus has its main casino, and then towards the back it has like an offshoot casino. A little further down here, past the Bruno Mars sign. I assume it's Bruno Mars. It's only Bruno I know. We have a little food truck just here. I believe it's probably temporary. I don't think it's a permanent fixture of Park MGM. But there is a very, very small section of the casino just here on the left, with a couple of different slot selections. and up that way is the way to the pool, and you can also get to the Aria and Bellagio that way, as well as Cosmopolitan. So that was a walkthrough of Park MGM Casino. Like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.